In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in Adobe Express. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design or video project where you want the fade effect to appear. This effect works well when you want your content to appear more smoothly instead of popping onto the screen all at once. It can make your project look cleaner, more polished, and a little more professional. Once your project is open, select the element you want to fade. This could be an image, a text box, a video, or another object in your project. For this example, we're applying the fade to a video, but the process is very similar for other elements as well. Just click directly on the item so Adobe Express knows exactly what you want to edit. If you don't see the animation options right away, double check that the element is actually selected. After that, move over to the left side panel and find the animation tab. Go ahead and click it to open the animation settings. Inside this area, you'll see options related to how your selected element enters or exits the screen. Look for the in and out choices. These let you decide whether you want the element to fade in when it appears or fade out when it leaves. If your goal is to create a fade-in effect, choose in. If you also want it to disappear smoothly at the end, you can use out as well. Now, find the fade option and click it. As soon as you do that, Adobe Express will automatically apply the fade animation to your selected element. This is the main part of the process, and in most cases, you'll see the result added immediately. It's a quick way to give motion to your design without needing complicated editing tools. If you want more control over the effect, you can also adjust the duration. To do that, click the slider's icon above the fade animation you selected. This opens additional settings where you'll see a slider for duration. You can drag that slider to make the fade happen faster or more slowly. A shorter duration creates a snappier effect, while a longer duration feels softer and more gradual. Try adjusting it until it matches the pacing of your project. And that's it. That's how to add a fade in Adobe Express. Once you've applied it, preview your project to make sure the timing looks the way you want, and then continue editing or export when you're ready.